Hey guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. I'm Chris, and today is our follow-on from our Introduction to AI series, and today's session is on automating tasks and workflows with AI. Together with my AI avatar team, we'll be providing you an overview of how AI is transforming the tasks and workflows in business. We'll start with an introduction of the key topics that we'll be covering today, and as usual, Amy, could you please give us the introduction? Thank you.
Many thanks, Chris. Welcome to an introduction to automating tasks and workflows with AI. Process automation focuses on streamlining business workflows and operations using technology. AI brings new techniques like computer vision, NLP, robotic process automation to automate manual tasks and to optimize end-to-end processes. Let's look at what we will cover today. Here is the list of topics that we will help you get to grips with. Automating repetitive computer tasks. Computer vision for quality control. Intelligent process automation bots. Natural language generation. Optimizing workflows with AI. And finally, considerations implementing AI in your business. So, what are the benefits of AI-powered automation? Efficiency. AI can handle high-volume, repetitive tasks significantly faster than humans. Chatbots respond to thousands of customer queries 24/7. Accuracy. AI reduces human errors. Computer vision spots micro defects in manufacturing. Bots ensure accurate data entry. Cost savings. AI automation reduces labor expenses associated with manual processes. Virtual agents can replace 50% of call center staff. New capabilities. AI enables activities not viable manually, like predicting machine failures from sensor data before shutdowns occur. With the right strategy, AI process automation can have a transformative impact on operations and workflows across industries. Now let me pass you over to Amelia.
Thanks, Amy. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly looking for ways to automate repetitive computer tasks. This can free up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work, and it can also help to improve efficiency and accuracy. Let's look at the different techniques that can be used to automate repetitive tasks and some applications of automation. Some example techniques that can be used are the following. Bots are software programs that can automate tasks by interacting with computer systems and users. They can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as form filling, content creation, email handling, and text summarization. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural, languages. NLP techniques can be used to automate tasks that involve text, such as extracting information from documents, translating languages, and summarizing text. In applications, customer onboarding is the process of helping new customers get started with a product or service. It can be a time-consuming and repetitive process, but can be automated using bots and NLP techniques. As is report generation, which is the process of creating reports from data. It can be a tedious and error-prone process, but can also be fully automated. Let's look at some case studies. Some financial service companies are using bots to automate their customer onboarding process. This has resulted in an 85% faster onboarding process and a 70% reduction in analyst time. Pretty impressive results. Healthcare companies have used NLP techniques to automate the process of extracting information from medical records. This resulted in a 30% reduction in the time it took to process those records. And in best practices, we can now leverage NLP for text-based tasks. Such NLP techniques can be used to automate a wide variety of tasks that involve text. This includes tasks such as extracting information from documents, translating languages, and summarizing text. Start with high-impact repetitive tasks. When automating tasks, it is important to start with the tasks that have the highest impact and that are the most repetitive. This will help to achieve the biggest gains in efficiency. Automating repetitive computer tasks can be a great way to improve efficiency, productivity, and accuracy, and by using the techniques and best practices we have discussed, businesses can reap the benefits of automation and free up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work. David, can you please continue with an overview of computer vision for quality control? Thank you.
Sure, Amelia. Let's have a look at how we can use computer vision for automated visual inspection, using object detection and anomaly detection algorithms, for instance, on manufacturing production lines. Some of the techniques to make great AI quality control with computer vision include object detection. This identifies known defect types like cracks, dents, and missing parts. This is done by analyzing images. Anomaly detection spots abnormalities and outliers from the norm using statistical models on images. Some clever application examples included in manufacturing inspection are AI vision systems that are mounted on assembled Y lines and infrastructure monitoring, which identifies damage or deterioration issues, and this can be done through drone imagery. Some case studies prove that as much as 4 to 5% fewer false positives. That's compared to human inspectors, who become fatigued. There is now over 90% accuracy recognizing known defect types across thousands of product images. So with 24/7 monitoring, and remember there is no downtime, AI vision works tirelessly and productively around the clock. Some best practices I can highlight are: aim to curate high-quality training data that covers edge cases. These are rare or unusual scenarios and data points that are exceptions to normal conditions. We suggest to continuously tune detection thresholds and retrain models on new data. And finally, validate performance before deployment through testing. Computer vision enables proactive quality control and rapid feedback to correct issues early. AI-powered solutions improve speed, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness. Now back to Amy.
Thanks, David. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is a technology that uses software robots to automate tasks that are currently performed by humans. These tasks can be anything from data entry to customer service to accounting. RPA bots are programmed to follow a set of instructions, which they can execute much faster and more accurately than humans. This can free up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks, and it can also help to improve efficiency and accuracy. Let me outline some techniques. Natural language processing, or NLP, can be used to automate tasks that involve text, such as extracting information from documents, translating languages, and summarizing text. Machine learning, or ML, is a field of computer science that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. ML techniques can be used to train RPA bots to perform tasks more accurately and efficiently over time. Deep learning, or DL, is a subset of ML that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. Deep learning techniques can be used to train RPA bots to perform complex tasks that would be difficult or impossible to program manually. Moving on to applications, let's start with customer support. RPA bots can be used to automate tasks such as answering customer questions, providing support for products and services, and resolving customer issues. RPA bots can also be used to automate the creation and maintenance of FAQ. This can help to improve customer satisfaction by providing quick and accurate answers to frequently asked questions. And lastly, these bots can be used to automate the scheduling of appointments. This can help to improve efficiency by reducing the time and effort required. Now on to a few case studies. A large financial services company used RPA to automate its customer support chatbot. This resulted in a 40% improvement in response time and a 20% improvement in customer satisfaction. In another example, a healthcare company used bots to automate the scheduling of appointments. This resulted in a 30% reduction in the time it took to schedule appointments. And now, best practices. Continuously train chatbots. Chatbots should be continuously trained with new data to improve their accuracy and performance. Conduct regular sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis can be used to track customer feedback and identify areas where chatbots can be improved. So just to recap, the benefits of bots are improved efficiency, increased accuracy, and boosted employee productivity. These robotic automation process bots help to boost employee productivity which leads to increased output and reduced costs. Over now to David.
Thanks. Natural language generation is a field of computer science that deals with the automatic generation of text. NLG can be used to create a variety of text-based content, such as summaries, reports, and customized emails. Let's look at different techniques that can be used for NLG, as well as some of the applications of natural language generation. The following are examples of techniques used. First up is text summarization algorithms can be used to generate summaries of data, such as financial reports, medical records, and customer surveys. Context-aware NLG is a type of natural language generation that takes into account the context of a conversation or interaction. This can be used to generate personalized communications, such as customized emails, that are relevant to the recipient. Some of the applications are automated reporting, where text summarization algorithms can be used to automate the generation of reports from data. This can save businesses and organizations time and money. Next, personalized communications. Context-aware NLG can be used here, such as marketing emails and sales pitches. This can help to improve the effectiveness of communications and create a more positive customer experience. Now let's take a look at two case studies. An 85% reduction in time was the result generating reports in a financial services company. They used text summarization algorithms to automate the generation of the financial reports. Marketing agencies use context-aware NLG to personalize marketing emails, which can result in a 10% increase in click-through rates. Some best practices include the language model used for text summarization or context-aware NLG should be tailored to the specific subject matter. This will help to ensure that the generated text is accurate and relevant. The performance of text summarization or context-aware NLG algorithms can be improved by iterating with user feedback. This feedback can be used to identify areas where the algorithms can be improved, such as accuracy, relevance, and fluency. Now back to Chris in the studio.
Now let's look at optimizing workflows with AI. Artificial intelligence can be used to optimize workflows by identifying bottlenecks, improving efficiency, and reducing errors. And some of the techniques used are the following. Process mining is a technique that uses data to visualize and analyze business processes. This can be used to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in workflows. User interviews can be used to gather feedback from employees about their experiences with workflows. This feedback can be used to identify areas where workflows can be improved. Simulation modeling can be used to create a virtual representation of a workflow. This can be used to test different changes to workflow and to predict their impact. Process re-engineering is the redesign of a workflow to improve its efficiency and effectiveness, and this can be done by eliminating bottlenecks, automating tasks, and improving communication. With applications such as supply chain, AI can improve the visibility of inventory, predicting demand and optimizing routing. Logistics can now optimize transport routing, manage inventory levels, and tracking shipments. And in manufacturing, we can also rework production schedules, improve quality control, and reduce waste. If we look at some case studies now, we can see that in retail, the use of AI to optimize the supply chain has resulted in a 30% increase in throughput and a 10% reduction in costs. And in logistics, it's possible to optimize routing, and this can save 25% reduction in delivery times. And manufacturing companies can improve quality control, resulting in a 50% reduction in defects. Now on to best practices. Incorporate Internet of Things data. The IoT data can now be used to provide real-time insights into workflows, and this can also be used to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies as they occur. Leverage simulations can be used to test different changes to workflows and to predict their impact, and this can help to avoid costly mistakes. Workflows should be continuously refined as new data and insights become available, and this will help ensure that workflows are always optimized. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to optimize workflows and improve business performance. And by understanding the different techniques and best practices, business can use this technology to achieve their goals. Okay, so now let's look carefully at the considerations for implementing AI. And over to Amelia.
As Chris mentioned, we do need to acknowledge considerations when implementing AI. The following are our top tips. In change management, it is important to communicating the need for change. Employees need to understand why the change is necessary and what benefits it will bring. Also, employees need to be trained on how to use the new technology and how it will affect their roles, and it is vital to support employees through this period, as some employees may experience some anxiety or uncertainty. It is important to provide them with support and reassurance. Suggestions include, to begin with a small group of employees and test the new technology. Gather feedback and iterate on the process as needed. Now over to governance and monitoring. Keep a record of all automated processes and bot configurations. This will help to ensure that the automation is used effectively and that any problems are identified and addressed quickly. Also, build in control mechanisms like approval steps. Automate processes should have control mechanisms in place to ensure that they are used correctly. This could include approval steps or other checks and balances. Make sure to continuously monitor KPIs, failure rates, and anomalies. Monitor the performance of automated processes and identify any problems. This will help to ensure that the automation is working as expected. And finally, companies must build the relevant skills. Learn RPA programming and process analysis skills. These skills are essential for creating and managing RPA bots. Make sure you understand AI opportunities within the organization. Understand the different ways that AI can be used to improve business processes. Develop communication and collaboration skills to guide AI systems. They are essential for working with stakeholders to implement and manage AI-powered automation. By understanding the considerations for implementing AI, businesses can ensure that they are well positioned to succeed. Back to Chris.
Thanks, Amelia. Well, that's it for today. Thank you to Synthesia for providing our AI avatar team. And thanks to you also for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.